Hi guys, welcome to week 3. You are just plugging along, doing a great job. I wanted to go over everything that we're doing in week 3. And the first thing, as you see at the top of the module, is a Zoom meeting, which is Saturday the 12th at 9 a.m. This is very important that you attend this Zoom meeting. It is for observation 1. We're going to go through it in detail. I'm going to give you examples of what I'm looking for, and it's also worth participation points. 10 whole points. So make sure that you are able to make it, because if not, you'll have a lot of questions about this observation. So make sure that you make that. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start off in our instructions. And let's see. So in chapter 3, again, remember, I always indicate what I want you to take note of while you're reading the textbook. And the first thing is you're going to be able to describe characteristics of anecdotal recording. You're going to distinguish between a narrative account and inference. We've already kind of talked a little bit about that. Inference is our opinions and what we think, but not actually what we are seeing. Okay, so there's a big difference. So make sure that you underline information of that. And then you're also going to identify developmental progression of self-care skills, really important for the early child. So go ahead and make sure that you are taking notes on that information. That is in chapter 3. Again, the SLOs that we'll be covering this week are all 3 of the ones that are listed for the course. And then to be successful in this module, you're going to read chapter 3. You're going to look at the chapter videos and the PowerPoints for chapter 3. Make sure to take that quiz by Friday, September 11th. You have until 11:59. It's worth 10 points. And again, that's through MindTap. And you have 2 tries, 2 chances to take that test, that quiz. And your discussion board is family meal time. Now that is worth 10 points. And again, I want to reiterate, this is week 3, so you kind of are getting into the swing of things. This is the same every single week. The original thread is due Wednesday night, and that's the 9th. It must be 100 words or more. And then you're going to read over some of your peers and respond to 2 of your peers. You should do one maybe on Thursday, the 10th, and one on the 11th. And you have until 11:59 to complete that. And your responses need to be 50 words or more. Some of you have been getting a little dinged because they're not 50 words. Make sure that it gives you a count when you're typing. Just look at the count. You want to make sure to have at least 50 words in length. I want it a rich conversation, not just, hey, cool, I do that too. I want it to be a back and forth, right? So again, you must post your original by the 9th, the original thread, to receive credit on any portion of this discussion. And then we are going to, I'd like you to review your observation 1 instructions and come prepared with any questions for our scheduled Zoom meeting on Saturday the 12th. And that says noon, I apologize, it's at 9 a.m. We're at 9 a.m. So I'll be sending you information on the link, so you can just click it and it'll go right to our Zoom. So again, you're going to review all that, come with your questions. You're going to print up your, if you need them printed up, I always like to have a hard copy in front of me, but you should be familiar with your instructions. And then you should also start viewing some videos for your first observation, okay? And the videos are in the module as well. You need to observe for 2 whole hours. And some of these videos, I'm sorry, but some of them are 2 and 3 minutes, so obviously it takes a while. So find some that are in there. We're going to go over the layout of the observation and what it should look like each page. So you should have no questions by the time we're done with our Zoom. I want to bounce back to our discussion, so just so I can go over that with you. I'm going back to module 3. Take some moment. Here we go. Okay, so here is your Zoom information. When you click on it, I'll just show you. I made these all up in advance. So here we go. You just click on that. Again, here's your password. You just click on the blue, type in the password. Again, I'll email this out to you, but just for you to know, they're always embedded within the modules of the week that we are meeting. Okay, so I wanted to go just quickly over our discussion. Takes forever, I apologize. Inside the module, you see the observation instructions, and you see the videos, and you see the chapter quiz. But here is the discussion board. Again, the first thread is due that Wednesday. So it's family meal time. So Basically, what I want you to do is describe a family mealtime at your home. You're going to compare it with compare what you do with other students in the class, family member or a coworker or friend. So your original post, you're going to write what you do and you're going to compare it to somebody, right? It could be, again, a family member, a cousin, or someone who lives outside the household you live in. It could be a coworker or a friend. And are your practices similar or different? Indicate that. And how does that help you reflect on meal times with children that may be in your class? So again, answer those questions, compare them with a family member or coworker or friend. You want to do the original thread, Wednesday the 9th, 100 words or more, and then Thursday, maybe do a peer, respond to a peer, and then Friday, respond to a peer as well. Okay, and then I always have that rubric attached of what I'm looking for. And that really wraps up chapter 3. It's kind of a just a review week. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you on our Zoom. Again, it's 9 a.m. on September. I'm looking at my calendar again. It is September 12th, which is Saturday at 9 a.m. Okay, I'll see you all then. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Have a great week and enjoy your Monday off as well. Labor Day, so enjoy that little holiday, and I will see you all soon. Take care.